B's like, oh my god, you're so lucky. I said, I'm so lucky. She goes, it's just the way she just takes him. I said, yeah. I said, do you know my sister? She goes,
you know a bit of time.
well, I said, you know, my sister-in-law called me last week and goes, I haven't seen my son for 1 week. She's piercing herself laughing. She's like,
Who, fresh now?
yeah. She goes, are you serious? I go, they get angry at me if they don't see Mussy. They get so upset. I said, what more do you want than that? And she's like, you're so lucky. I go, no, I'm lucky that Mussy is such a good little boy because everybody wants him. It's very easy to not want to help. Where are we going? I don't know.
Watch it doesn't go.
I don't know which way like anymore. Okay, it is currently 6 a.m. and myself and the chief are heading to Sydney Kingsford Airport.
Hi everyone, we're off to the airport. We're still in croaky voice.
We just woke up at 5:45.
I woke up at 5:30.
Oh, yeah. I woke up at 5:45 and I thought I heard the kookaburras and I was like, that's what's Mussy's gonna wake up in it, like, from that. They're so loud. No.
Heat or no heat in your body, it's going to be really, really cold. Really cold. I'm trapped.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I understand, Jules, but when you're a continuous Bunsen burner, it doesn't matter how cold it is these days. Didn't you see that?
No, well, I couldn't move.
Oh.
Otherwise, I would have hit my mate on the right here.
My mate.
Good idea. Well, we're off to Melbourne for Olivia's cancer and wellness research walk. She does it every year, and to raise funds for the hospital that she built.
Bye, Cliff. Bye, Cliff. Great combo with Cliff, Jills. Great combo. If there's anyone that will start a conversation, it's Jillian. Bye-bye.
Come on. Do you want to put that on the scales, that inches?
No.
23. Let's put it on the scales.
No, Mama.
I need to know.
Can you? Don't, because it doesn't matter. They won't weigh it.
What am I doing? That's a much better view than the back view.
Oi, jeez. Do you want to film me in this seat to Paris? You must be joking. We are in our seat. As you can see, it's first class.
We did it.
Oh man. You can see today,
So what's it got your iPad?
Hey, the iPad should not be stowed in a zip bag holder until after takeoff. That was totally my We have landed in sunny Melbourne. Rainy, cloudy Melbourne.
I think 28 or something in Sydney.
28 in Sydney, 28 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius in Melbourne.
Just a bit nippy.
Just a bit. We are here and we are excited. Let's go. Would you like to tell everybody what you think of your son-in-law's?
What level we're on?
Just the next one.
What level are we on?
Would you like to tell everybody about how you pinched your son-in-law's Adidas jacket?
Yeah.
How does that make you feel?
No, I didn't pinch it. He offered. He said, would you like a warm jacket to go to Canberra? I said, sure thing.
Do you like that you have Adidas on your bum?
And I can't see it, so it doesn't sort of worry me.
You forget, do you?
Yeah.
Would that be a receipt?
No, thanks.
Oh, thank you. Oh, there you go. Tell me again. Have you got enough bags?
Okay, it's just fine.
I think your jacket's worn off, doll. Hi, Melbourne.
Wow, this car's very deceiving.
Wait,
It's speed.
oh, girl.
It's 80 along here, and I'm come down to 80 now.
Oh, God.
I feel like I'm doing 20.
It looks like you're doing 20.
Oh.
Hi, Melbourne.
Hi, Melbourne. I look like a chook.
You just told me not to call you a chook. We are here in cloudy Melbourne.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
I love you more.
I told Mum that she is forbidden on this trip, and any trip from now on actually, to order room service. I have a very they're what you've been eating.
You don't like them?
Oh, well, stop eating them
I
then.
did. That's why I only ate half of it yesterday.
Connoisseur biscuit ice cream.
They're horrible, don't buy them.
I saw them on a bus stop and I bought them, so my husband would like
They're
them.
really
It's
awful. It's like the biscuits are stale.
okay. Anywho, my mother's family have something in their genes that make them how do I put this politely? Well, they're really bloody high maintenance about food. That's really the bottom line.
That's not true.
It is so true. Food has to be hot.
Yes.
Not just hot. They're so like strange in their grammar that they say things to ordering services like piping hot. Can it be piping hot, please? Like, just say very hot. Extremely.
1 kilometres, bear right onto Queen's Road towards Princess Highway.
Okay, Suze. You know it's not Susan, it's Siri. Yeah, so let's just say critically high maintenance food service people, and trust me to marry into the hospitality world. So my husband is very, very patient and accommodating when it comes to my mum. When my uncle's here, it's 10 times worse.
He's terrible compared to me.
I know, but you know,
It's not nice to say that about me.
you're very closely related. Anyway, Gillian has a unfortunate reputation of all of a sudden we decide to get room service on like at least the last 3 of our trips, more probably 4 of our trips. We're tired, let's just get room service. You think it's a good idea at first, but then trust me, when she orders stuff that's like just gonna go so wrong, it's just a nightmare. So things like pizza. Why would you order pizza when we have pizza on tap at home? But anyway, no garlic, no oregano, no nothing, no sauces. Piping hot, extremely hot comes to the room, stone cold. And then sometimes you're too embarrassed to like say take it back. Like the time in Canberra. The last time
Didn't I send it back?
the penne pasta she ordered was not only stone cold, guys, stone cold. It had a particular herb in it she didn't like. And she phoned down and did complain, and they said, oh, well, we just cook it with that herb in it, or thyme. It was thyme.
It's time.
And she was like, oh, I can't eat that. Can I just have plain butter penne or something. This is like, so, but plain butter penne that is piping hot. And up comes this stone cold raw. Oh my god. So I told her on this Melbourne trip, I officially will get in the car and get on a plane and leave if she wants to order room service. Oh my god. We have just pulled up at our hotel. And what is this? I'm a little confused as to what's going on. Is that a Gucci standalone boutique?
It looks like it's a standalone. Look.
That used to be a church. Okay, we are staying in the Olsen. We'll give you a room tour, won't we, Jules? Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, this is the Olsen Hotel in Melbourne.
Olsen is a famous artist.
John Olsen, who it's named after, is a famous artist. Let me give you a tour. Here I am, hi, in my great travel outfit, which I'll show you. So come in, and there's the first bathroom. Oh my god, it's ginormous. Beautiful. There's all his artwork throughout the whole hotel, which is really pretty. And then it opens up to this, this is the deluxe studio it's called. So it has a full kitchen. That's beautiful. And then goes this little bedroom with all these artwork. That's gorgeous. Yeah, I love that giraffe one. I wonder if you can buy it.
Yes, you can, because it prints.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it has like a little kitchenette.
So you don't want to move? You're happy with this?
I'm happy.
She said if you're not happy with it, we can move.
Move rooms? Great light. I can vlog in here. Awesome. So then that's this room. This is the view. Look at this. This is the famous Chapel Street in Melbourne.
In the Como corner. The Como Hotel.
The Como Hotel. And we did ask the lady that's a Gucci next door. She said we're really baffled as to why there's a Gucci there. And then this is the second room in this studio. Isn't that gorgeous? With a door, a lounge, huge king bed, TV, a little study and your own bathroom. That's gorge. And then huge windows. This is a cute little hotel, Mum. And then same. Look at the size of these bathrooms. Pretty. Great light for vlogging.
Great light.
Great light for vlogging. We can stay here. Ooh. Do you want to tell the vlog anything?
Yeah, I love my gill.
Aww. I love them.
I love my girls' holidays.
Yes, we're such good travel friends, aren't we?
We are.
We really are. And that's where you need to find a good travel friend in your life. Your mum, your dad, your sister, brother, auntie, your best friend, husband, partner, girlfriend, because that's when you really know your tolerance with someone.
True.
Is see if you can travel with them. Right, Jules?
Right.
Oh, I like my room better than yours anyway.
Why?
I just do. It has better feng shui.